A magical winter day. It is an overcast morning in December. The sky is full of gray clouds, and Emma thinks it might snow soon. A few minutes later, snowflakes start to fall. Each small snowflake lands softly on her window. Soon, there is light snowfall, and the world begins to turn white. Emma puts on her warm coat and steps outside. The air feels frosty, and her breath looks like little clouds. "It's cold, but beautiful," she says. As she walks, the light snow turns into a big snow shower. In just a short time, everything becomes snowy: the trees, the road, and the rooftops. Suddenly, the wind picks up and becomes very strong. The gentle snowfall changes into a blizzard. The snow blows everywhere. Emma can hardly see the houses across the street. She tries to walk home, but the ground is icy, so she moves slowly. The wind is strong, and the wind chill makes the temperature feel even colder than it really is.
Wow, it's really freezing today,
she says, holding her scarf tightly. On her way back, she hears tiny tapping sounds on her coat. It is sleet, rain mixed with snow. Then, for a short moment, small balls of ice begin to fall. That is hail, hitting the ground and bouncing away. Emma finally reaches home and closes the door behind her. She looks outside and smiles. "What a magical winter day," she says. "Snow, sleet, hail, and even a blizzard. I saw everything today." She makes a warm cup of cocoa and sits by the window, watching the snowflakes dance in the air. Inside the house, everything feels quiet and cozy. The heater hums softly, and the windows are warm to the touch. Emma changes into comfortable clothes and wraps herself in a soft blanket. She turns on some gentle music. The slow melody fills the room and makes the snowy day feel even more peaceful. One of her cats jumps onto the sofa and curls up beside her, purring quietly. Another cat follows, stretching and settling near her feet. Emma picks up a book and begins to read. Outside, the snow keeps falling, but inside, time feels slower. She does not have to rush. There is no alarm clock, no traffic, and no work today. As the snow continues to fall outside, Emma smiles and feels safe and warm inside. She takes a slow sip of her cocoa and enjoys the quiet, knowing this winter day will stay in her memory. Thank you for spending this quiet winter moment with us.